this is Sophie, a French girl from Go Dominican Life. Today we're located a few miles away from the center of Puerto Plata in a city, but we are in a nice residential, a community residential, very close to the golf course, very close to the beach, and I'm going to show you a brand new 4-bedroom home. Come with me. So wow, did you see this house? The ceiling are so high. It makes it so beautiful, so bright, very spacious rooms. So it's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, brand new in a good location, very good for rental or if you want to live here. So if you need more information, just click the link below, subscribe, share and like.